Hi, my name is Anne and I work as a language coach. In this video, I'm going to share to you how I use Google Classroom for my online classes. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have an existing Gmail account. Next, go to the website classroom.google.com. I'll copy paste the link at the description section below so it will lead you directly to the Classroom Google site. Then you need to sign in using your Gmail address. I'm going to show you now the two ways in finding your Classroom Google account. The first way is this: when you're already in your Google server, you just need to type the website classroom.google.com because I often use it. Then it's already there. It's appearing. I just need to click it. And it will lead you to this to look for your account. So I will try to click try another account. And I will choose my Gmail address that I use for Classroom Google. So there I am now. That you can see that I'm already in my Google Classroom. Another way to find your Google Classroom is to look for this tiny dots at the upper right hand corner of your Google server. Click that one, scroll down, and you can find the Classroom there, and just simply click that one to open your Classroom. So there it is again. Okay, so let's get started and we'll try to make classes now and lessons, attach lessons. So all you have to do is press that plus sign to create a class, or if you'd like to join someone's class and click it, but we'll first create a class. Then read this one. I just need to click this. I have read and understand the above notice and I'm not using Classroom at a school with student. Continue. Once you're already there, then you can type class name, any class name that you'd like to make. I usually put my name so that they would know that it's coming from me. Let's say, for example, I will type Anne's English lesson for grade 6. So section, say for example, I'll specify section B, 6B. Then subject is English. You can specify English 1 or 2, say for example, let's say English 6. And then your classroom, if you would specify your classroom. So say room 111, and then create. After creating a title for your class, then it will lead you to this page. Right now, I will show to you the feature of Classwork. So we'll click that one, press create, and then we'll choose material if I'm going to send to them the materials that I need for their task. Now let's try to create a title for their task. Say for example, speaking practice. They're going to do that. Then I will describe what the task is all about. Say for example, pick a topic and discuss with your pair, for example. Of course, it's their classmate. So, and then I'm going to support the task with the material. So I just need to click add and file. That means it shows the document that I have from my computer. Select file from your device and it will lead you to my materials of my lessons. So I have their topics for speaking practice. Then include or attach and click upload. So it's uploading. Now it's almost when you have successfully uploaded, then it shows in your page of this classroom that you have their topics for your speaking practice. So I can just write down here on the right side that it's for my students, and I can change this topic, create a topic, speaking, for example. And then when I am ready to post, then I will just post it. After posting your lesson, it will automatically lead you to this page. Now we are ready to share our lesson. All you have to do is to click this class drive folder, highlight your lesson by clicking it, and then go to this human image with a plus. I'll try to put the mouse there and it will show me my contacts. Say, for example, I will send this to Mitzi, for example. Then I can just do automatic messages when I share. So, hi, I'm sharing to you this speaking task, and then you can choose here if you'd like her to be your editor or viewer or commenter. So say, for example, I just like her to view. Then I'm ready to send it. Just click send. If, for example, you'd like to add something here in your speaking practice task, then I can just click the edit. I forgot something I want to attach. For example, a link from YouTube that will reinforce my students' speaking practice. So I can just press link and then go to this one, YouTube, highlight and control copy, then go back to your classroom and control V, that is copy pasting the link, then add the link. So it's there now, and then just simply click save. So it is saving now. If you would like to check if you have successfully attached, then just simply press that one. So we have there topics for speaking practice and speak English fluently. So do the same process when you would like to share to your co-teacher or to your student. If you're wondering where your other classes are, you can just simply click this one on the upper left corner where your mouse is. So you have all your classes there. I had this before, elementary to secondary, and the one that we have just created, 6B. Now what are you going to do if you'd like to invite a colleague or a student in your classroom? Just simply click people. Then if you'd like to invite a co-teacher, then you have this human and plus sign, while if you'd like to invite a student, go to the student area. Say, for example, I'd like to invite one colleague. So I'll just type his or her email address and then click invite, and then it will send an invitation. Once they open their emails, then they can read your invitation. Don't hesitate to explore the different features of your Google Classroom. At first, you may think it's really difficult, but eventually it really gets easier. Next time, I'll show you how to use Google Hangouts. This is really useful if you'd like to call your students, co-teachers, and other contact persons in your Google Classroom. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.